Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add zip file theme in Shopify. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have theme here by exported theme that is actually a zip file. So if I can actually upload that on my Shopify right here. Now what you can do is you click on this add theme right here. Now click on this upload zip file. After that, click on this add file right here, and then just locate the zip file that you have. Now click on open. After that, click on upload file right here. And then as you can see, this will upload the zip file that you have, and you should be able to see it under your theme library. Now, as you can see, it is actually installing the theme. And once it's done installing this theme right here, this grayed out button of publish and customize should be readily available to you. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the installing process. So as you can see, it just added. Now you can head over and click on this publish right here in order to publish this theme on your online store. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.